Alright, also at these high school tournaments, what you do is everybody pulls up on the dock, just like this. Everybody pulls up. You get a number at the beginning of the day, with a boat number 59. So we come in, we put our fish in the bag, bring her up to the tanks and weigh in. And so now we're going to put the fish in the tank into the basket. And he's going to make sure that all the fish are at least 12 inches. Read it, Dave.
Our next team up is the Bradstreet boys, Drew and Kamden Bradstreet. They got 5 fish fishing through Seminole Junior Anglers. 5 fish for these guys. You need 12.95. How about this? 14.54 pounds. 14.54 pounds for you guys.
Fish.
You can weigh a big fish. Hold some of those up. Did you stay in the boat today?
Nope.
Oh boy.
It's on video, you'll see it.
Don't be. Here, you got it? Yep. All right, you want to weigh that big one?
I do.
All right, it's got to go bigger than 7.08. Let's see. 7.91 pounds. 7.91 for that one. 7.91, almost an 8-pounder there.
It's a good one.
About had a trophy catch there. Hold it up again. Dad must have been a good boat captain out there today.
Yes, sir.